animal today makes a very special sound. Look over here. What animal is this? That's right, a cow. And what sound does a cow make? Excellent! The word k-ow starts with the sound k. Can everyone say that sound with me? Let's all pretend to be a cow. We'll make the C sound and the moo sound together. Get ready. Moo. Our next farm friend is rolling in the mud. It's pink and a little bit silly. Who is it? A pig! You got it! And what sound does a pig make? Yes! The word p-ig starts with the sound p. It's like a little pop. Can you say that sound with me? P-p-pa. Now, let's act like a pig. We can wiggle our noses and say the sound and the oink. P-p-p. Oink! Look, a tall animal is running in the field. What is this big, fast animal? A horse. A horse makes a sound that starts with an H. The sound is It's like you're breathing out on a window. Can you try it? And what sound does a horse make? Neigh! That's right! Let's be galloping horses. Let's make the H sound and then neigh. Neigh! I see an animal swimming on the pond. It has big webbed feet and a bright orange beak. Who is it? A duck. The word d-k-uck starts with the sound d. Can everyone say that? D. And what sound does a duck make? Quack! Can you flap your arms like a duck and say both sounds? D. Quack! Our final animal is soft and fluffy, and it lives in the meadow. It's a sheep. The word heap starts with the sound s. It sounds like a snake. S. And what sound does a sheep make? Ma! Let's put our hands up like fluffy wool and say the sounds together. S. Ba! Subscribe for more enchanting animated stories and joyful songs. See you soon, little friends!